Okay, dear friends, now I am going to dictate elaboration part, that is second paper of Tamil Nadu government examination paper of November December 1977. And while you are taking dictation, if there is any omissions in your writings, there is no need to fear about the omissions, but the only thing is just the content important. Understand the content and write your elaboration. Get ready. Number 1. Imagine yourself the Commissioner Corporation of Madras and submit a report to government about the havoc caused by the recent storm in November 1976 of an unprecedented nature, the heaviest rain and abnormal floods in canals in the city of Madras. Describe damages caused to hut dwellers and those in low lying areas. Give a rough estimate of the loss of human life and livestock and suggest immediate relief measures needed. Number 2. Draft press advertisement inviting applications for the post of personal manager in Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, a Government of India public sector undertaking. Persons possessing postgraduate degree of Master of Business Administration and experience for more than 10 years in the personal department in a private quasi government organization need alone apply. Thorough knowledge in industrial relations, recruitment, establishment, welfare, counseling, labor laws is a must. Pay scale rupees 1500 plus 100 2000 plus usual allowances, medical benefit, contributory provident fund. Application forms obtainable against self-addressed envelope with 50 paise stamp from the Secretary of the Corporate Office, 18 to 20, Kasturba Gandhi Road, New Delhi. Last date for receipt of completed application 15th June 1977. Applicants for interview will be paid first class fare by train and to and fro by shortest route by express train. Number 3. Draft a press report of the speech of Dr. Karan Singh, Union Minister for Health and Family Planning, who inaugurated the music festival in December 1976 in the Music Academy, Madras. Speech centered around the importance of music in one's life, the peace and harmony of thought it brings about in the daily life of everyone. Paradoxically, when on one side mechanization and modern technology is rapidly advancing, bring out the inherent quality of music in promoting national integration, crossing the barriers of languages. Dr. Raghavan, Secretary of the Academy, proposed vote of thanks and the function was presided over by the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Mohanlal Sudakia. Number 4. Draft tender notice for the signature of Director of Agriculture Madras calling for sealed tenders for the supply of 25 pillar type drilling machines for use in departmental workshops. Details of dimensions and capacity to be specified. Tenders to be in duplicate should be addressed to Joint Director of Agriculture Madras. Superscribed tender for 25 pillar type drilling machines. Tenders will be opened at 3 p.m. on 30th July 1977 in the presence of tenderers desiring to be present. Tenders received after the stipulated time not considered. Department reserves right to reject lowest or any tender and also place orders for the supply covered by the tender. Tender forms available on payment of rupees 2 at the director's office. Applications to be accompanied by a challan for an earnest deposit of rupees paid into Reserve Bank of India, Madras. Number 5. A burglary occurred in residential building bearing 47th Avenue, Ashok Nagar on the 22nd November 1976. It was dead of night. The inmates were fast asleep in the upstairs. The burglar gained entry into the house through the back door breaking open the inside latch, removed a trunk containing valuables and silk sarees. Theft was noticed early morning next day when the back door was found opened. Articles stolen are valued at rupees 5,000. Write a complaint to inspector of concerned police station explaining facts and request for immediate investigation. Mention that in Ashok Nagar and adjacent postal colony areas of late incidents of thefts are on the increase. Effective police bandobast necessary.